Hello, my sweetie smarty learners. Hope you all are fit and fine with your families. I am your host and those welcome you all in LearnSmart's EVS classes. Yeah, it's too hot today. I think I should wear some cotton and light base color clothes today because this red kurti makes me so uncomfortable in this hotty day. What? You think I'm mad? And what is the connection between clothes and seasons, right? Yes, there is a big connection between clothes and seasons. And what is that connection? We will learn in our today's class. And for understand the connections between clothes and seasons, we will learn about clothes we wear. So, wait for what? Come, let's start the class. Learners, before starting the main topic, let's learn about different seasons. Summer season, the hot, heated, and burning season. Rainy season and winter season. Now say it with me again. Summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Learners, as you all know, we all wear clothes, right? But the question is, why we need these clothes and why we need to wear these clothes? Come, let's find out why. We all wear different colorful clothes because they makes us look good, neat and smart. They cover our body. They protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and pollution. They helps us to feel comfortable and they also protects us from insect bites. Now got it? Why we need to wear these clothes? Okay, now we learn about the clothes and seasons connections. And first we learn about summer season. You all knew that it is very hot in summer. And for that we wear cotton clothes and light colors in summers. These clothes keeps us cool and comfortable like t-shirts, skirts, caps, hats and shorts. And now we learn about rainy season. It rains in the rainy season and we wear raincoats and gumboots when we go out in rain. And these raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas protects us from rain. And at last we learn about the winter season. It is very cold in winter season and we wear woolen clothes in winters because these clothes keeps us warm like jackets, sweaters, gloves, mufflers and caps, etc. So learners, now you got it why I think not to wear dark colors in summers and wear cotton clothes in summers. Okay? Cool. Learners, did you think that we wear these clothes in different occasions, like according to different seasons, climates, and celebrations? But from where we get these clothes? What is the source of these clothes? Difficult, na? Not anymore. Come find out. There are two main sources of clothes: plants, and second is from animals. But how plants and animals provide us clothes? Simple. We get cotton from the cotton plant, and from that cotton we got our cotton clothes. And we get wool from sheep, and from that wool we got our woolen clothes. Easy now? Alright. Now there are some people who wear special clothes, and these clothes are called uniforms. Yes, uniforms. Like you all wear uniforms in your school, and grown up people also wear uniforms which represent their work they do. Just like our doctors wear white coat, postmen and police and the security guard also have uniforms. And now it's time for some good habits. We should always wear fresh and clean clothes. We should always wear iron clothes. We do not wear wet clothes and prefer to wear cotton clothes, and not to wear too tight or too large clothes. Now, learners, let's take a quick recap of what we learned today. We need to wear clothes because they makes us look good, neat and smart. They cover our body. They protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. They help us to feel comfortable, and they also protect us from insect bites. We wear cotton clothes in summers. We wear raincoat, gumboots and carry an umbrella in rainy season, and we wear woolen clothes in winters. We get clothes from plants and animals. And there are some people who wear uniforms. So learners, that's all for today. I hope you all really like this video. And if you all really like this video, then like, comment and share our video. And don't forget to subscribe LearnSmart. You all can follow us on our Facebook page, our Instagram account and our Telegram account via the links provided in the description box below. And now it's time to leave, and we will meet again with another smart topic in the next video. Till then, take care of yours and your near and dears.